Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to learn something new, that is VLOOKUP with drop down list. Here I have some data. You can see this product name, cost, monthly demand. MD means monthly demand, margin. This is a small data, around 100 line of items are there here. Products, if you have thousands and columns in hundreds or anything, it is, if it is a large data, it will be very useful. Okay, uh, let us learn this, how we can do this. Let us apply VLOOKUP function and see how the result will come. Okay, before starting the video, I request you to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and press the bell icon also to get such useful videos. Okay, let's start. Before starting, I will convert it to table. Okay, to convert it to table, what I will do, I will select this, I will press Ctrl plus Shift. I will select first cell of the table, okay, data table, and I will press Ctrl plus Shift, hold it down and press right arrow and keep the Control and Shift key, press down. Okay, and press down arrow. Okay, it is enter, data is selected now. Now you have to use shortcut key, that is Control T, T for table. Okay, you have to check this option, my table has headers. Okay, then say okay. Now it is converted into table. Okay, now I will copy these headers first. These headers, copy, paste something special. I will paste like this. Right click, I will go to paste special, not paste special. Okay, in paste special, I will select transpose. Select transpose and okay. It is arranged in rows. Okay, it is here in columns, it is arranged in rows. Okay, now what I am doing is I will copy the first product name. Okay, I want to look for the details of the product. Okay, so the base is the product name, so I have copied product name. You may have anything, it may be product or employee or your customer, anything it may be. Okay, I am taking here product as example. Next I will apply the function is equal to VLOOKUP lookup value, what I want to look for. This is the base. Okay, I will select this. I have to log this by pressing F4, lock it. Okay, comma, table array, where I have to look for the result what I want. I need this entire table. Okay, except headers, comma, again comma. Next is I have this first column I have already. Okay, next what I want to look for, second one is cost, and the third one is monthly demand, fourth is margin, and it goes on. Okay, if your data is large, comma, here second column what is there, cost. Okay, the same way third column monthly demand, fourth column will be margin. So for this cell I have to use 2. I need this cost, so I am using 2. Okay, again comma, I need exact match. Okay, 2 here, 2 comma, exact match, enter. So you got here the result. Okay, The next I need monthly demand and margin. What you have to do is just copy this, select all the cells and press Ctrl D, means copy down, fill down. Okay, so everything is same here. I have to change now. Only the thing you have to change is column index. Okay, here monthly demand is in third column, so 3, and the next one is margin is in fourth column, so 4. So you margin will be in percentage, so convert it to percentage, Alt HP. Okay, so you have everything here. So I have to apply a drop down list for this. Okay, I cannot type the stock item name or product name or employee name or customer name, so I have to select easily. So for that I have to insert list here. For that what I have to do is I have to go to data, select this. Okay, go to data validation again. Here you have to, in settings you have this allow. In allow you have to select list, go to source, click here, source will be this, enter product names, enter. Okay, now the list is ready, drop down list. You can just select the item, product name or employee name, customer name, anything. It will show the details of that product. Okay, I think you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give a like and share with your friends also. They may get some benefits out of this. And again I am requesting you to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification of such useful videos. Okay, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. Keep watching, keep supporting. Till the next time, bye bye.